Before particle was born.
One. I'm gonna skip it to you, Sigma. No more running. What you trying to do? Trouble! Alright, so let's run this console and deal with this problem. Well, the atmosphere's looking pretty cool. Now let's solve the problem! Architect managers! Ah yes, autistic-like. Let's manage this guy. What is it? Oh yeah, bring! Whoa. Okay! Should be here now. Yeah! Serious, like, use this punch. Wowzers! It seems like I've been hit by a monkey. Alright, I'm gonna chain you up, you monkey. Hey! What did I do? I'm gonna get you some back into you, monkey! Whoa. There's no time for goofing around now, Splash. My bad, gang. Why not, Sigma? We're gonna zoom in, psych! Whoa, she got a door too! Bro, we need to put a bug fix again. Of course, I'll Splash. Seek home, yeah! Finally, I finally rest and spend time with my daughter. Whoa, this atmosphere totally doesn't look the same at all! Oh, hey, Dad! What is goody, my gang? I'm gonna go do something real quick. Okay, got a picture. Okay, now I'm gonna get the lighter. Yes, but Grove of Giggle, age, cancel the deal. What a Sigma! Well, I will stay here. Keep up, I'm so fast, What? Super cool landing style from Superman. Why do you think that didn't work? Because why is it not updating? We can literally get content updates. So stop yapping out, Flash! Well, I'll deal with this later. I need to go sleep, man. Okay, mate. But first we gotta find out what this is for tomorrow, mate. Yeah, we might ask Cherry to skibbity. Yeah, he's probably the only one who's gotta know what's strange. Let's do this for tomorrow. I'm out, gang. Me too, bro. Whoa, so this is the hotel, huh? Why is it so small here? I'm too fat to fit in the hallways. But like, why does this place look so skibbity? Wow, cool looking light. Hoopla! Why are there so many gardens? Why is nobody telling me about this anyway? This place looks really Sigma though. Oh no, the voices! Alright, one more door to the door 90 skibbity. Wow, there's so many trees here. It's so lively. Wow, statues. Yeah, that's door 90 skibbity right there. Alright, let's go to that side. Making my way downtown, walking fast. I miss you, Mom. You're one of my skibbity Sigma. Why'd you leave us so early? Everything happened like so fast. Six showing up here and there, and then there was like just a big explosion. Uh, and then everyone just went dark. Have no fear. I'll make sure everyone's safe. Once I find the guiding light, the killers, and whatever that red like figure thing's name is, I gotta find what the Sigma. What the Sigma? Who's there? Show yourself! I see you! Why are you staring at me? Don't stare at me in the shirts! Get over here! Yeah!
What the Sigma are you doing here, you skibbity? Can't you see I'm walking here?
Chill, bro! Calm down! I didn't know you were walking here! Wait a minute, why didn't you just let black smoke take over a floating head?
How do you feel when I told you a boss scream to a party and like a bigger? Also, it's very understandable that you couldn't see me walking, since how will your big creepy ass reply? Then you can't see me.
Chill! What is so rude? What's your name again?
My name is Rush, and I'm pretty sure you would never know that. But hey, I guess you're a softball screech too.
I don't know what you are, whatever you are, but I came to ask. Have you seen some sparkle figure, yellow, blue, or red?
Nah, you're just a bob screech anyway.
Bro, I'm trying to look for them right now, man.
So, you're bro. Don't you know I don't give a shit about anything I see when I rush through the rooms on rope? And anyway, why you look like a bob screech?
Stop calling me a boss screech! I have a name and it's Party Grumble, you dingus!
So your name is Party Grumble? So you're Party Bob Screech? That's not humiliating!
Okay, then how about I call you a floating blueberry?
No, I'm not a blueberry!
No, this is not a blueberry, this is not a boss screech! It's fair! Look, just go away from me, man.
Finally you got on my path. I'll see you again later, Bob Screech!
Man, I can't for this thing! Yeah, whoa. The blue figure you meant glowing light. I don't exactly know what they are, mate. The red light? You found it? Oh my god, why is it not have a gas for toilet? Well, there's a curious light at the hotel. I don't know. Door 89. Here's some Six Fletcher's food. I'll totally will get you both. Man, everything's always the same. Dong 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 dong. I'm gonna get you. Bro, at the flop. Yeah. It's still the same. Oh, stop! I got him. Whoa, it's still the same atmosphere! Ah! It's been so long, but here we are at last. Well, you're probably wondering at what you've done. At least not entirely. You need to abandon everything in the game will break, including us, which will glitch on everything. You're so right! But still, dude, I have no choice but to release you from this stupid chains. From now on, though, you need to follow your true purpose, which is to mew on Skibbity toilet. Why not, Sigma? But okay, I'll do it. Maybe. What a wonderful walk, eh? So, enjoy yourself, Seek! That what is Sigma City resource that? I'm expecting you to be in a jail cell! Lying there! How did I not get where? What is little boy yapping about? Are you stupid or something? Are you autistic? Are you schizophrenic? Anyway, you gotta get back to work, you monkey! And what's the deal with the Grumble, huh? Why not leave it alone? Are you serious right now, bro? Oh, I get it. The clever blue light is controlling you. What Sigma? What's important about that Grumble is my business. Your job is simple, just to capture it. None! And I mean no one's controlling me anymore. Not anymore! I am done with your ridiculous order! What a Sigma do you just say? That's a little risk of you, mate. The deal is off, mischievous. What in the skibbity Sigma? Bro, are you even thinking probably? That deal gave more power than you've ever gotten! It's just one Grumble left anyway. It's not that hard, you monkey! They're all still alive! All 5 of them, actually! I have no idea where they all ran off to, and quite frankly, I don't give a shit! Just tell me the reason why you won't obey me! Just go back and handle the modifiers! Why do you want to show the world, universe, and literally, don't you see how close we're finishing while we started? And you're just gonna walk away? Dad, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine, Sally. Please don't want us, Mister. Fine, then. I'll give you 10 seconds to reconsider. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No! Dad, what are you doing? Yeah, bitch, I said no! You know what? That's it. I'm gonna force you to do it for me. Get over here, child. I'm gonna traumatize you for life. Ah! Ah! Dad, save me! Ah! What are you doing? Stupid! Ah! Oh! Oh! I'm gonna get you! Wow, 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 wow! Oh, shit, bro! Holy moly, guacamole, what is this? I'm gonna be ready. Why not, Sigma? That's my first day being here. Why am I already doing have to deal with this? Sis, you're gonna need to stay strong, mate. Yeah, I know, but we need to stay strong, mate. Whoa, it seems like I'm gonna be cooked by now. Oh, guys, just know that I love you. Insane montage. Another Grumbles? What are you doing in our nest? My eyes are everywhere. You can't run for long. I'm gonna get you. It's time to set a Grumble. I'm not a blueberry. Bald screech. Skibbity dollar paradox. Whoa, where am I? Door 14. I gotta go find my siblings, mate. Not here. Maybe in door 15? Yeah, let's try it. Oops, my bad, gang. Oh, what's this? Ooh, cool looking green bottle. What a Sigma, why am I in low graphics? Hi, big brother. Oh, hi. No, no. Whoa. Oh, is this the same place? Whoa. What is this? Where am I? Rooms revisited. Yes. Oh, boy, days, thank you for watching this video, chat.